Hi everyone, we're back with a brand new video. I am Kai from Wondershare DemoCreator. In today's video, I'm going to answer some of your questions that we have on our YouTube channel about DemoCreator, and this might be useful to you as you might also be wondering about the same type of questions. We will be releasing a Q&A video every month going forward, so if you have any questions about using DemoCreator, I would encourage you to leave your comments on our videos and we'll select some of the more common ones and give you the answers. Also, if you watch our videos and find them helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell button for notifications. So the very first question is from Charles Edwards, and he asks, can the teleprompter be brought up to eye level or is it fixed? Well, Charles, unfortunately at the moment, the teleprompter panel can't be moved to eye level, but what you can do is make the text bigger or smaller by clicking the A+ or A- button in the bottom right-hand corner. So I hope that answers your question. Our second question comes from Mr. Andrew. He asks, can this software create real-time AI virtual characters for anyone who doesn't have the guts to show his real face in real-time live game streaming? Yes, it definitely can, Mr. Andrew. However, it needs to be clarified that DemoCreator is not a live stream platform. It is a connection between the streaming platform and your computer. So you need to choose a live stream platform first. For example, you could choose YouTube, OBS Live, Discord, Twitch, etc. Then when you intend to go live on YouTube, for example, you can choose DemoCreator Virtual Camera in the camera settings. Then you'll see your game on screen. You can learn how to do this from 2 of our videos. We'll leave links to them in the description. Question 3 is from 2 of our subscribers. First is Kahiluha Herlihi. I hope I pronounced that correctly. They asked, I'm trying to make a video for my business and I'm wondering if I can take off the banner in the middle of my video. And also Stuffed Roblox Cat had a similar comment. I love these usernames, by the way. They said, Wondershare DemoCreator has too big of a watermark and it won't work on my live streams. Okay, so don't stress, you can remove or replace the logos. What you need to do is to click on the video presentation mode, go to project, and then go to set watermark. Now you can remove or import your brand logo. So I hope that makes it clear for our 2 subscribers. Question number 4 is from Gameloft, and they asked, hello sir, very polite of them. Is it possible to transfer my Wondershare creator from my old laptop to my new laptop? Well, yes sir, you can indeed. You can download DemoCreator for free and log in using your licensed account on your new laptop. But the files are stored in your computer hard drive, so you need to find those and send them back to your new laptop. You can check the settings on your recording board to find out where your recorded files are. To find out where your files are stored, go to the all-in-one recorder. This will open up the all-in-one recorder, and then you can come over to the Wondershare DemoCreator panel here, click on the cog, the settings cog, and then go to File, and it will show you where your recorded files are located, and you can open that up to find your recorded files to move over. Question 5 comes from Andy Harpist. He commented, import your pre-record voice. So you can import your own pre-recorded voice audio directly by dropping it into your project folder and then dragging it out onto the timeline. But you can also record your voice in our editor by clicking the voice icon. Then a window pops up for you to record your audio directly in the editor. So I hope this helps to answer some of your questions. Again, if you have any comments, questions, or queries, make sure that you write them in the comment section of our videos so that we can help answer them in future videos. If you found today's video helpful, be sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. So that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.